राज्यातल्या 4 शारांनी रस्त्यार अन्न केंद्र सुरू करून थंय अन्न सुरक्षे संदर्भात सगळ्यो सुविधा पुरवण करपाची येवजण राज्य सरकार आंखपाक सोदता अशी माहिती भलायकी खात्याचे सचिव जे अशोक कुमार हांणी दिल्या। आरटेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिग्स।
is recognized by the United Nations Assembly, as just told you by Mr. Teacher. And from this year, 7 June is being celebrated as the World Food Safety Day.
This brings out a lot of change. So for this, the FSSAI has come out with 2 great publications which they have published, and we have made copies for ourselves in circulation in Goa. So we have something called as the Pink Book and the Yellow Book. The Pink Book is a very handy guide for all our consumers on nutrition, on how to buy the right food and how to handle the food in their kitchen. And the Yellow Book aims at targeting our children, which is bringing out a change at the grassroots level.
Today the Directorate of Food and Drug Administration observed the World Food Safety Fortnight. June 7th has been declared as the World Food Safety Day by United Nations Organization, and accordingly the fortnight following June 7th is being observed as World Food Safety Fortnight, and today in Goa the same is being observed, and today a lot of activities are being planned by FDA. One such activity is that we are organizing a full day training session for the caterers, whereby food safety training and certification program is being organized. Apart from that, we are also organizing a training program for the officers, inspectors of the Food and Civil Supplies Department, Government of Goa, so as to ensure that the food grains which are being supplied through the fair price shops are being maintained as per the standards prescribed by the FDA. And apart from this, we are also focusing on various other stakeholders and sectors, like we are also targeting the Anganwadi centers, whereby we want to develop a standard protocol which will be followed by all the Anganwadi centers in terms of storage, preparation, cooking of food and serving it to the children who are coming to the Anganwadi. And we are also targeting upon the education department, whereby all the suppliers of midday meal scheme will have to be necessarily registered or licensed under the Food Safety Standards Act as per the standards prescribed. Without that, they will not be permitted to supply food under the midday meal scheme to the education department. We have already taken up the matter with the education department, and they have also extended their cooperation to that extent. And similarly, various IEC and awareness generation activities are being planned. Today we have released 2 books, one for the children, Safe and Nutritious Food at School, whereby the children would be made aware about the basics of food safety and how personal hygiene is also important, which needs to be maintained by them. Similarly, another book called Pink Book, which is under the program Safe and Nutritious Food at Home, is also being released, which will be distributed to all the women, so that they can understand how better they can make the food being safe, which is being prepared at home, which is ultimately served to their family. So to that extent, various activities are being planned. We will continue to do it, and the department is also upgrading its infrastructure. Recently, we had approval of the government for creation of more number of posts for the department. That will help us in further strengthening and having more number of checks and inspection for the food to bring under the safety of Food Safety Act. It will be a little difficult, but we have sought the cooperation of the Bakers Association, because ultimately the pav sellers, they don't produce the pav, they only procure it from such bakeries and then sell it. So we have sought the cooperation of the association. Idea is to get the list of such pav sellers from the bakeries who are supplying to them, so that we organize a training program for these pav sellers also and get them registered under the FDA, because under the Act, Food Safety Act, every person who is dealing with the food in one way or other needs to be registered or get licensed under the Act. So we want them to bring under the net of the Food Safety Act, and soon we'll be organizing an orientation program. We will try to get registered all of them, and hopefully with the increase in manpower, we should be able to crack down on those people who are not having registration under the Food Safety Act.